So there's supposed to be a downpipe here for drainage. And there's also supposed to be one there. But there's not. And this pipe here comes from the other side of the house, from the guttering on that side, where water literally cascades down the inside wall. And it's probably because it can't get away. Because this pipe goes straight up and then it's supposed to empty into the tank. But I'm imagining once it fills to a certain point here, it just all comes back out over the gutter on the other side. Anyway, what do I know? I'm not a plumber, a roofer, a builder, or any of the other stuff. I'm just the owner of something that needs to be fixed.